The project title name is Solar Tracker with Inverter. Our group members name is group leader Chinmay Kollatkar, Dhruvin Bhuva, Prachi Chaudhary, Bhavesh Joshi. We have made this particular project. Now I will explain you the working and the real-time components of our project. So this is basically the solar tracking section. Here we have a DC 12 volt jack at the input. We have used one switch to on and off the input power supply. Then we have a 7805 voltage regulator, the filter capacitor, and the power on indication LED. For basically tracking the solar sun rays, we have used the 4 LDRs. These are connected in a voltage divider arrangement with the potentiometers. Here you can see a LDR and a potentiometer forms a voltage divider arrangement whose output is given to the LM324, a quad op-amp amplifier IC, and the output of the LM324 is given to the motor driver IC. We have used an L293D dual edge bridge IC. Here is a filter capacitor at the input of this IC to avoid any ripples from the input power supply. So, and here is our inverter section. Here is a simple 555 based inverter. Here is a 555 IC connected in a stable multivibrator mode. Then we have a 2 MOSFETs. The output is a square wave continuous pulse which is given to the first MOSFET to switch the positive tapping or a half tapping of the transformer. It is a center tapping transformer, 12 volt 1 ampere, and the another MOSFET is given through the one transistor here. The transistor is provided to apply the 180 degree phase shift, and it will switch between the negative tapping or the another tapping of the transformer. So it's a 12 0 12. So positive 12, negative 12, it will switch, and the output is ACE signal which is almost 230 volt 50 hertz frequency. The 50 hertz frequency is adjusted using the stable multivibrator configuration. The 2 MOSFETs are used. Now let me show you the working of our project. When we turn on the switch, you can see here is a one motor and one motor is at the bottom. So our project is a 2-axis solar tracking system because it can track in XY as well as both directions. So here are the 4 LDRs. So these particular 2 LDRs are for this particular motor, so that it will rotate in forward or backward direction to track the sun in east-west direction, and these are the 2 LDRs to track the sun in north-south direction when there is a cloudy environment. So let me show you. When I keep my hand on this particular LDR, the intensity on this LDR is high, hence the motor will move in that direction. When I keep my hand on this LDR, it will move in opposite direction. So you can see the motor is now moving in forward, now in reverse. So this is forward, reverse, and these are 2 LDRs which are connected to track the sun when there is a cloudy environment. When there is a cloud and sun rays are from the different direction, this will track. This will move the motor in forward direction or clockwise direction, and this will move the motor in anti-clockwise direction. So this is clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise.